Hello and welcome to today's class. Today our goal is to practice questions with the verb to be and question words. As we previously said, we can use the verb to be for introducing people, to express age, to talk about the job or occupation, to talk about the nationality, to talk about our feelings, to describe colors, to talk about prices, to describe the weather, to talk about the time, and for descriptions. The question words in English are used depending on the specific information that I want to discover. The different question words that we can use are who, where, when, why, what, how, which, how many, and how often. How do we form a question with the verb to be and the question word? The first element is my question word, the verb to be. Remember, was when the subject is I, where when the subject is you, was when the subject is he, she, or it, or where when the subject is you, we, or they. Remember that after this you can use the color, the profession, the time, location, the nationality, the origin. The time expressions for simple past are the same time expressions that we can use for simple past. Combinations with last, combinations with ago, or combinations with yesterday. Let's practice simple past. Were the Reeds at home last Christmas? No, they weren't at home last Christmas. Where were they last Christmas? They were in Cancun. Were they at school last week? Yes, they were at school last week. Why were they at school last week? They were at school because they had a test. Were they at the museum last Wednesday? Yes, they were at the museum. Who was at the museum? Mrs. Green, Tim, Mike, and Jackie were at the museum. Were they at McDonald's last night? No, they weren't at McDonald's last night. Where were they last night? They were at the supermarket. Remember, questions in simple past with question words or WH questions include first the question word, then the verb to be, the subject, and the complement. Thank you very much for watching.